What's up guys? So today I'm checking out the TCL C805K mini LED TV. Now big thumbs up to TCL for sending me this beast of a TV to review on the channel. But as usual, all my views and opinions are my own. This is the 65-inch model and is also available in other sizes from 50 inches all the way up to a massive 98 inches. Now, mini LED TVs are usually quite pricey, but TCL has come up with a touch of magic, giving you the very best combination of features, design and specifications for quite a competitive price. So this is a 65-inch mini LED TV with an anti-reflective display supporting 4K at 144Hz. This TV supports multiple HDR formats which include Dolby Vision IQ, HDR10+, HLG and more. The TV features an advanced AIPQ 3.0 processor, 500 plus dimming zones. You also have other great gaming enhancements like AMD FreeSync, variable refresh rates and lots more. And if all that was not enough, you get a built-in Onkyo speaker system with 50 watts of power and also supporting Dolby Atmos and DTS HD. The latest official Google TV OS version 12. If you're into gaming, this mini LED TV is an absolute treat. Now I opted for the 65-inch model as that is the perfect size for my gaming room setup, and the price was so damn good for what you're getting. Now quick unboxing. The 65-inch model is quite large and the box weighs just over 25 kgs, and you can see the TV comes very well packaged. And inside the box we have user manuals and paperwork, the stand which comes in two parts, and this is a central stand which I'm actually quite excited about. You've got a bag of screws for the stand, a power cable and a full featured Bluetooth voice remote. And guess what? TCL AA batteries included in the box. How convenient is that? Now the remote control has shortcuts for the major streaming apps, and it has built-in microphone for using Google Assistant voice searches. And as I unpacked and unveiled this TV, I could not help imagining how good my PS5 games were going to look on this beautiful display. I'm especially excited to test COD Modern Warfare 3, which should support 4K 120Hz, taking advantage of PS5's maximum next-gen frame rates and variable refresh rate features. Now on the back of the TV you will find a 300 by 300 VESA support. On the right there is a power socket, and on the left you have all your connectivity, which include one USB 3 port, a gigabit Ethernet port, you have a 4K 144Hz HDMI port, an additional 4K 120Hz HDMI port, you have an antenna connection for TV, and also the option to connect a satellite via coaxial cable. Next to that you will see an SPDIF port and two more HDMI ports supporting 4K 60Hz, and one of them also supports eARC, followed by an AV adapter and headphone jack. Now connecting the stand is quite simple. Grab one part of the stand. You're basically aligning the two silver metal connections in the middle of the holes on the back of the TV. Then secure with 4 screws. You will notice that the stand is made from plastic, but also reinforced with metal frames inside where you connect the screws. Then you grab the main flat part of the stand which the TV sits on and align it to the 3-hole connections. You really can't go wrong here, and then secure with the remaining screws. And that is pretty much it. You can now replace the back cover which basically hides all your cables. Now setting up in Google TV OS is as easy as logging into your Google account, and to make things very simplified, you can simply scan a QR code with your Android phone to automatically log you in without you even needing to type a single password. The setup process also involves pairing the Bluetooth remote by holding down 2 buttons as instructed on screen. And then you'll also get the option to auto-tune your TV channels. I plugged in a coaxial cable connection, and so that's basically all the Freeview UK channels, and you can see 960 channels were picked up using auto-tune. And the channels are also automatically sorted for you, but you can also rearrange things if you want to, and you have a simple UI showing you the info on what you're watching as you flick through all the channels. Now the design is quite premium. You have a brushed titanium metal finish, you've got the tiniest bezels, the stand is centrally based, which means it's compatible with a wide range of TV stands, and you're not limited like you would be with those wider stands. And here is your home screen. This is the latest version of Google TV OS version 12, and I have to say it's very fast in performance. Navigating the menus, installing, opening and closing all your favorite apps, everything operates super smooth. And having Google TV OS built in like this, giving you such a nice performance, means you don't even need to install an external Android streaming box, as the Google TV OS will run all your favorite apps, including sideloading apps from your USB 3 port if you want to. So one of the best OSs included in this TV. This TV also features an AI PQ 3.0 processor, which handles all the image processing algorithm, which can basically dynamically optimize things like color, contrast, brightness, clarity, and lots more. And if we go into the main system settings to take a look at the system storage info, you will see that this TV has 32 gigs of internal storage, from which 21 gigs are free to use. And if we have a quick look in about, you will see more information on the OS build numbers, versions, etc. And you can see it says Android TV OS version 12. Now, other things to mention, if we look under display and sound, you will see some options for intelligent picture and sound. So this is where you can tweak the adaptive brightness and the HDR features. And also you have options for adaptive volume and audio types. You also have a whole bunch of picture presets that you can select to enhance your experience, and the options are dynamic, standard, smart HDR, sports mode or movie mode. And by default it is set on standard. And likewise, you have a number of presets for sound mode as well, from dynamic, standard, movie, music or voice mode. And you have a few other options for virtual surround sound, bass or dialogue enhancer, and more. The TV can automatically switch between audio outputs, but you can also manually select your preference if you prefer, from internal speakers to wired headphones, ARC, Bluetooth, or you even have a few combination options that you can select. Now this TV supports 4K streaming across all major apps, so starting off with YouTube, which supports 4K 60 with HDR, and here are a few samples.
Many people have come here to sell chocolate. They've all been crushed by the chocolate cartel.
Now you also have something called the TCL channel, and this is basically access to a library of free movies and TV shows that you can watch at a simple click of a button. But do expect some ads before starting the movie, similar to Prime Video. I would like to confirm Netflix does support 4K streaming, and that includes the very best Dolby Vision and Dolby Atmos sound. And the same from Amazon Prime Video. You get native support for Dolby Vision and Dolby Atmos sound. And this is the same throughout most of the major streaming apps, including Apple TV and also Disney+. And what about gaming, which is basically the reason why I picked this TV up? Well, as soon as you connect and power on any game console, and in my case it's the PS5, it will automatically switch on gaming mode, giving you enhanced exclusive gaming features such as auto low latency, variable refresh rates, some special presets, and even a dedicated gaming bar, which you can bring up at any time by holding down the menu button. And if we have a quick look at the PS5 video output information, you can see 4K 60 with HDR supported, and depending on what game you are playing, you can achieve up to 4K at 120 Hz. So let's check out some gameplay footage. Starting off with, of course, Modern Warfare 3.
First round. What's going to happen? All right, let's. Can't teleport without a rattle. Those to get around their defense. They're backed up into the corner. Oh no! Not like this! Not like this! They're in the corner and the beatdown continues. Good try.
Beautifully timed and place kick there by Lucas.
Always PJ for action.
Back to the feet.
I don't think so, man. Seeing her on the bridge, I don't know that person. I need to figure out why she's doing all this.
Alright, man. Do what you feel is right. Keep me posted.
Vault number 12. As we speak, we're just beneath the main lobby. The vaults you see now are the newest. A private entrance.
Almost there. Gotta say, I did not expect such a big crowd.
Now this TV also supports Airplay, and it's very quick and easy to connect, and it works with very minimal lag, so it means you can enjoy various apps and games on the big screen. Now another cool feature which I've not seen before on any TV is multi-visual, with so many different options that you can play with here. This will give you multiple screens active at the same time, split screen. So one example is live TV and an HDMI source, so live TV with PS5 for example. Or you can have an HDMI source displayed, and on the side you could have a smartphone mirrored at the same time. And depending on what you're doing, so if you flip the phone landscape, the aspect ratio will also change immediately. Or you could go crazy and mirror multiple smartphones at the same time. This is a really cool feature. So there you have it guys, that was the new TCL C805K, and I have to say I absolutely love the design and build of this TV. 65 inches is ample in size for my setup, the features are pretty jam-packed, this TV has it all. 4K HDR at 144Hz with Google TV. The picture quality is beautiful, and you also have universal multi-HDR support, including Dolby Vision IQ, HDR10+, and lots more. Sound quality is also impressive. The internal speaker system is very loud and powerful, and you have native support for Dolby Atmos and DTS HD sound. Google TV OS is smooth in operation whilst navigating the menus, installing apps, and during general operation. Bottom line, for the price, this TV offers a very good balance between price, performance, features, and a very nice premium design. I love the central stand, although it is static, so there is no swivel or tilt features. So the latest and greatest gaming features, awesome HDR support, massive big screen display, and a great overall picture quality. This is now my new gaming TV, and Modern Warfare 3 in 4K 120Hz is absolutely impressive. With all that being said, I will leave the links in the description box so you guys can check this out for yourselves. Meanwhile, thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you all in the next one. Peace.